Hey guys, this is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski. I'm with the Lakeway location. Today we're on this beautiful 2020 Ray SDX 270. I want to point out some of the awesome features of this boat. One of them is back here where we're at on the swim platform. So we've got this nice submersible platform. Easy for people to get in and out of the boat, but it's not the only way to get into. So you have a ladder as well, but it's awesome for pets. And when it's like 100 degrees out, you can sit here. It's a comfortable seat in the water, and this really becomes a hangout. We've got this nice rear-facing lounger behind us. You know, if we were in the water, we'd probably have the water up to my belly button right now. It's just a comfortable spot to be. And another feature of the swim platform is the SeaDek gray flooring. It really does well keeping up with the heat, and it's nice and grippy, so you're not going to fall. Kind of like this non-skid here, but it just has a nice feel on the feet as well. Alright, let's go inside the boat. Alright, so now we're in the very roomy cockpit. You've got seating in L shape on the port side. You've got really where, you know, if it's just two of you, you can have two forward-facing seats. But if you have a lot of people on board, or if you want to turn this into like a spotter seat, you know, or if you've got the max amount of people, you've got just a ton of room. So as you move around, you know, you can have your feet up facing this way. Behind the captain's chair, you've got another nice little seat that can fit, you know, two or three. When you're anchored, you bring that back, and now we've just really maximized all of the seating. This boat comes equipped with two tables. So you'll have a table for the cockpit, and then in a minute I'll show you where the table is for spot for the table is for the bow. Now we'll focus our attention here on the helm. So one, we've got this booster seat right here. So you know, for the shorter or people that just want to have a taller vantage point, you can bring that booster seat up. I like it all the way down because when you're driving that natural bow rise, it just gives you a sight of everything in front of you. You've got this nice big Simrad screen here with a lot of cool functions, and then the Fusion stereo. This thing blasts. You can hook up your Bluetooth to it. It sounds really good, real crisp out on the water. The flooring goes through the boat. That's an option that we've liked to choose, the snap-in SeaDek. And then also, new for 2020 is the stone gray upholstery. The upholstery, it's not too light, not too dark. It's real, just classy looking, and everything just ties together real well. You can see the attention to detail on the stitching. You always feel the quality when you're on a Sea Ray, but you can really even see it in this video. The other part of this we want to point out is the water sports tower. So you're able to do all the activities on this boat. You want your tow point up top, and we also have the tow point back on the swim platform as well. And then an integrated bimini. So another thing this boat is equipped with is a nice big head area. So you can see where that is. It has a sink in there. This boat does have water, so you get a hose probably at the dock and fill that there. And then, you know, the hinge seats. There is a drain, so you could put, you know, cold drinks and ice in there, or you could put, wet life jackets, wet towels, life jackets, just a lot of storage throughout. And then this boat, we've also equipped with the windlass. So nice, kind of hands-free anchoring. Go up to your favorite cove and hang out for a couple hours. So again, just to recap, we're on the 2020 Sea Ray SDX 270. Some of the things that we talked about: a ton of seating throughout the boat, whether it's in the bow or the cockpit area. We've got this nice stone gray, a new upholstery color for 2020. The SeaDek flooring from the swim platform all the way through the cockpit and the bow. The windlass in the bow. And then on the swim platform, we've got that nice submersible platform, which makes for an awesome way for pets to get in and out of the water. Makes for an awesome place to hang out when it's a nice hot day and people are out hanging, swimming. But this boat, it's going to ride well on the bigger lakes. You're going to be able to bring a ton of people. One of my favorite Sea Rays personally. So if you'd like to schedule an appointment to see this boat, feel free to give me a call. Again, it's Scott Isaacson, Marine Max Sail and Ski in Lakeway. And my phone number is 512-450-8023. Thanks again for watching. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.